Right now, at this very moment, thousands of people are sitting in the corners of their homes, in small rooms and garages, building their own businesses and making money. No big factories, no loans, no risk, just machines, work, and strategy. If you have a room, a garage, or a small workshop, you can start today. The secret of this business is simple: low cost, easy process, high demand. In the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 real machines that real people are using right now. They're making real money. Every month, $2,000 to $8,000, some even more. The question is, will you be one of them? Let's begin. Nail-making machine. Think about it. Every construction site uses nails. Furniture factories need nails. Farming, shipbuilding, packaging. Everyone consumes nails. Turkey alone uses millions of kilos every year. The nail machine is completely automatic. It takes steel wire, cuts it to length, shapes both ends to create the head. In 10 to 15 seconds, you get professional-grade nails, ready to use, perfect quality. The machine needs 2 by 2 meters of space. Just standard electricity, 180 volts is enough. Cost? $2,000 to $4,000. Setup takes 2 to 3 days. A technician comes, connects everything, tests it, and trains you. Daily production? 50 kilos of nails. Selling at $4 to $6 profit per kilo means $200 to $300 per day. That's $5,500 monthly. If you run 2 machines, you could reach $11,000. Why it works? Nails are sold in tons, not pieces. One customer might order 5 to 10 tons monthly. Deliver quality products on time, and customers come naturally. Construction companies, furniture makers, hardware stores, they're all looking for suppliers. Copper granule machine. Every day, millions of old phones, computers, and cables end up in trash. Inside them is something extremely valuable: copper, real money. The copper machine automatically strips plastic from cables, extracts the copper, and turns it into granules. No chemicals, no pollution, simple work. Space needed? 2 by 3 meters. Cost? $3,000 to $5,000. Setup? 3 to 4 days. Daily production? 100 to 150 kilos of cable. Each kilo gives you $2.50 to $3 profit. That's $250 to $450 daily. Monthly, $5,500 to $9,900. Why it works? Copper prices are stable and predictable. Cable supply never ends. Electricians, construction workers, technicians, they all have old cables. Make one deal with an electronic waste center, and your material supply is guaranteed daily. Chalk-making machine. Schools, universities, training centers, presentations. Chalk consumption never stops. Teachers write, chalk runs out, they need more. Again and again. The chalk machine mixes powdered lime, plaster, and water. Pour it into molds. After 24 hours of drying, you have finished chalk, ready to use. Space? 1.5 by 1.5 meters. Just an electric outlet and water tap. Cost? $500 to $1,500. This is the cheapest option here. Daily production? 500 to 1,000 boxes. Profit per box? $3 to $5. Monthly earnings $3,000 to $6,000. Why it works? Demand is guaranteed. Contact 10 schools directly. They will order from you regularly. This isn't a build it and hope business. Demand already exists. You just capture it. CNC plasma cutting machine. Decorative metal art, custom metal doors, personalized gifts, company logos on metal plaques, all come from plasma cutting. You upload a design into software, The machine cuts that exact design thousands of times. Always identical, zero error, absolute precision. Space needed, 4 by 3 meters. Strong electricity required, usually three-phase. Cost, $8,000 to $15,000. Higher investment, higher returns. Value per order varies. Simple cuts, $50 to $100. Complex artwork, $500 to $2,000. Large metal panels, $2,000 to $5,000. Monthly at the beginning, 10 to 20 orders means $2,000 to $4,000. After building reputation, 30 to 40 orders means $6,000 to $10,000. Why it works? Very few people can do this. Architects, designers, artists, they all need your service. Build a portfolio on Instagram showing before and after work. Clients will line up. Magnet making machine. Picture this. A tourist buys a beautiful magnet with a local design, takes it home, looks at it every day. That's the magnet business. Simple, profitable, infinitely scalable. The magnet machine prints photos or designs, cuts them, and glues magnets to the back. The entire process takes 3 to 5 minutes. Professional output, durable quality. Space, 1 by 1 meter. Very compact. Just an electric outlet and basic graphic software. Cost, $1,000 to $3,000. Setup, just hours. Daily production, 100 to 200 magnets. Material cost, $0.50. Selling price, $2 to $5. Daily profit, $200 to $1,000. Realistic monthly, $2,000 to $5,000. During peak seasons, weddings, conferences, and corporate events, earnings double to $4,000 to $8,000. Why it works? High profit margins combined with viral marketing potential. Tourists buy them as memories. Companies order them as gifts. Weddings use them as party favors. Etsy, Instagram, and personal websites are your distribution channels. Glass bottle cutting machine. Empty glass bottles, things most people throw away, become beautiful vases, elegant candle holders, sophisticated drinking glasses. Material cost? Nearly zero. Market demand? Unlimited. A laser or diamond wire cuts bottles to your exact specifications. A polishing machine smooths the edges. Result? Artistic, professional, beautiful glass products. Space? 1.5 by 1.5 meters. Electricity and water tap for cooling. Cost? $2,000 to $4,000. Setup? 2 to 3 days. Daily production? 50 to 100 units. Profit per piece? $5 to $15. Daily income? $250 to $1,500. Realistic monthly? $2,000 to $6,000. During peak seasons, weddings, events, holidays, earnings reach $8,000 to $10,000. Why it works? Home decoration, restaurants, cafes, event planners, everywhere needs glass products. Recycling appeals to environmentally conscious customers who pay premium prices. Personalization increases perceived value dramatically. Wire mesh fencing machine. Let me show you a market that never sleeps. Metal fencing. Gardens needed, farms needed, construction sites needed, landscape designers needed. Every single day, someone needs metal fencing. Constant demand, predictable, profitable. A wire mesh machine interlocks metal wire, creating protective, aesthetic fencing patterns. One end feeds material in, other end produces perfectly measured, professional quality output. Automatic, consistent, no defects. Space, 3 by 4 meters. Strong 3-phase electricity. Cost, $5,000 to $10,000. Setup, 3 to 4 days. Daily production, 50 to 100 meters. Profit per meter, $2 to $4. Daily income, $100 to $400. But here's where it scales. Land One Farm Supply Cooperative ordering 5,000 meters monthly, and suddenly you're earning $8,000 to $15,000 monthly. Why it works? Markets are segmented. Agriculture, animal fencing, construction, security fencing, landscaping, decorative fencing. Once you land one major client through referral or direct outreach, word spreads through their network.
Portable laser cleaning machine. Rust, oil, paint, dirt, oxidation. Clean with just laser light, no chemicals, no water waste, no toxins. Pure, advanced technology. The future of industrial cleaning is happening right now. A high-energy laser beam vaporizes contaminants from surfaces, works on metal, plastic, ceramics, everything. Silent operation, zero environmental footprint. Human involvement is minimal. The machine is portable, handheld design. You work anywhere. Electricity, standard 220 volts. Cost, $8,000 to $15,000. High investment, superior efficiency. Service rate is $100 to $300 per hour. Working 4 to 6 hours daily, $400 to $1,800 daily. Realistic monthly, $3,000 to $10,000 after building clientele. Why it works? Most customers don't know this technology exists. You educate them. One successful cleaning transforms them into permanent customers. Metal factories, auto repair shops, restoration specialists, they'll hire you repeatedly. Before and after photos on social media are extremely powerful marketing.
Carpet overlock machine. Here's a problem millions face. Expensive carpets with deteriorating edges, frayed, unraveled, worn down. The carpet is still beautiful, but the edges are ruined. Customers either throw them away, losing hundreds of dollars, or they seek professional solution. Enter your service. A professional overlock machine restitches carpet edges with precision, removes fraying, extends carpet life by years. What takes hours manually takes minutes with this machine. The carpet looks brand new. Space, 2 by 2 meters. Electricity outlet. Cost, $1,500 to $3,000. Setup, 1 to 2 days. Daily capacity, repair 3 to 5 carpets per day. Profit per repair, $50 to $150. Daily income, $150 to $750. Realistically, monthly $2,000 to $6,000. With luxury hotel or design firm contracts, $8,000 to $12,000. Why it works? Carpet restoration is stable and growing. Luxury hotels maintain high standards. They need regular carpet care. Interior design firms include restoration services for clients. Wealthy homeowners protect their investments. Build relationships with just 3 to 5 corporate clients, and your income becomes predictable and secure. Combined operation. Glass bottle cutting plus wire mesh fencing. Here's the advanced strategy. Run 2 machines in the same space. Morning, cut glass bottles. Afternoon, produce wire mesh. 2 income streams, 1 space, 1 electricity bill. Why does this matter? Because markets fluctuate. When glass demand drops, shift to fencing. When fencing slows, focus on glass. Seasonal variations balance perfectly. Summer glass demand peaks while winter fencing demand increases. Space, 5 by 6 meters for both machines. Total cost, $6,000 to $9,000. Earning potential? Glass bottle cutting, $2,000 to $4,000 monthly. Wire mesh fencing, $3,000 to $8,000 monthly. Combined, $5,000 to $12,000 monthly. Why it works? Risk management. One market downturn doesn't destroy your income. You're not betting everything on one product. You're hedging intelligently. This is how professionals think. I've shown you 10 real opportunities, but let me be direct. Information without action is worthless. Right now, people are deciding. Some will read this and think, interesting concept. They'll do nothing. In 6 months, they'll wish they had started. Others will take action. They'll research. They'll contact suppliers. They'll find their first customers. They'll start small. They'll learn. They'll grow. In 6 months, they'll be earning $2,000 to $8,000 monthly from a room in their home. Which person will you be? Every single machine mentioned here is available online. Alibaba, local suppliers, distributors worldwide. You can have equipment in your hands within weeks.
The logistics are transparent. The process is clear. The only barrier is you. Financial freedom doesn't arrive as a gift. It comes to those who move first, those who start despite uncertainty, those who take the first step while others are still thinking about taking it. You've heard the opportunities. You understand the potential. You know the process. Now comes the hardest part: action. Pick one machine that excites you, not the one that seems easiest, the one that genuinely interests you, the one that makes you think, I could do this. Research it thoroughly. Watch videos, read case studies, find suppliers, calculate your exact numbers, identify your first potential customers. Then, and this is crucial, take action. Order the machine, set it up, make your first sale. The difference between dreamers and earners isn't intelligence. It's not luck. It's not resources. It's movement. Today you have everything you need to start: the knowledge, the resources, the opportunity. The only question remaining is, will you take it? Your financial transformation starts today. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. The choice is yours. The timing is now. Thank you.